Toodaloo, motherfucker! Getting mad. He just shooting each other. One of them mates shot me like 4 times.
3, 2, 1, go!
Your mother is fat. Hey Dan, I got you 6. I'll see anybody. Get some, bitch. You see him? I see him. Alright, you cover. Oh, there he is. Got him! No, I can't get right there now. I got too much shit in my way. Woo! Hit! I do watch that section over there, man. Hey, we got 2 right there. Right there in spot 12. I think they're respawning.
Yeah, they're respawning.
You wanna light him up? He's looking right at me, dude.
You see what Wes is doing? I don't see him anymore.
I don't see Wes.
Oh, I hit you, bitch.
You calling it?
Hit!
I'm gonna get up on these boards. Take the spawn area.
This is kind of cheap, man. We need to get out from behind these guys.
I was laying on the ground and you guys were not stop firing. That's not fair.
My bad. I didn't know that you were out. I just saw somebody in my scope.
Hey, wait a second. We're in the freaking crosshairs here.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get out of you. I don't want you guys to get hit any more than you already are.
That's why we didn't go that way.
We asked if we go to the TV station. He said stay on this side of it, like halfway through past the ditch. We're like, okay.
We didn't pass the TV station. You need that barricade beside the TV station? That's as far as we went.
Yeah. Oh, we know. We know. I mean, incoming fire from
Which
the side.
motherfucker was hiding over here who shot me?
It wasn't me.
It was the first time. Probably Wes then.
Come over here. Because you killed them, then they just had nowhere else
He
to go.
got him. Dan, Big Dan got him.
Out. You got a video? Alright, you stay behind me.
Don't shoot me, I'm out. I'm out.
Around that building? We did good though.